If you've ever wondered how to link your bank account to Cash App safely and quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Cash App to Plaid step by step so you can enjoy seamless transfers between your bank and Cash App. Stick around till the end because I'll also explain why Plaid is used and what it means for your security. Main content. First, open your Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account settings. From here, scroll down and select Linked Banks. Next, choose Link a Debit Card or Link Bank. This is where Plaid comes into play. Cash App uses Plaid as a secure intermediary to connect with your bank account. Plaid doesn't store your login credentials permanently. It simply verifies them and securely shares the necessary data with Cash App to complete the connection. You'll now see a list of popular banks, for example, Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America. Tap on your bank or use the search bar to find it if it's not listed. Once you select your bank, you'll be prompted to log in using your online banking username and password. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked for two-factor authentication to confirm your identity. When that's done, Plaid will securely link your account and send the information to Cash App. You'll get a confirmation that your bank is successfully linked, and from now on, you can transfer money in or out of Cash App with just a few taps. Key takeaway: Plaid is simply the secure bridge between your bank and Cash App. It keeps your data safe while making the process fast and seamless. Outro, and that's it. You've successfully connected Cash App to Plaid. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help.